Would you tell us how is this now being seen, India's rapid growth? And I'm saying rapid because it is faster than the rest of the world. The question we have to ask is, can we grow at 10% plus? Should we even grow at 10% plus? Could that be overheating? And would that be seen as a threat by other parts of the world?
Well, thank you, Sunil, for those compliments, many of which are not really true, but as a friend, I'll accept it. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Pleasure to be here on this panel. I think what Mr. Munjal talked in terms of the way our economy is growing, the way it is shaped within the global economy, are indeed very important questions. I think, Sunil, to answer your question, the first part, should India grow at this pace? I think we need to grow at this pace, and I think most of the people in this room agree, if we have to find jobs and have a better quality of life for our extremely large population. And you alluded to that in your opening remarks. So the rate of growth, the desired rate of growth, is something which has to be dictated also by our desires as a nation for our people. Now, can we do this? That's the real tough one. I think that is where the government has been engaged to try and push this. I certainly think that the kind of growth rate that we are exhibiting, give or take a little bit, should continue to happen. The issue is, will this growth create the kind of jobs that we need? And today, as the chairman said in his opening remarks, the geopolitical situation and the economics globally, do they make it helpful or are they a challenge? Today, I believe that we have to choose the opportunities we get. Our opportunity in India of a growing domestic market, our opportunity of a demographic dividend, our opportunity of having hugely skilled and talented people, not just numbers. Our opportunity to be, our advantage at being nimble, at being frugal. Those are the opportunities that we have by which we can compete better. The challenges are in terms of really the kind of, if I may say, the rise of protectionism that is happening in the world. Because they are facing, the so-called advanced countries or developed countries are facing a problem. They are facing a problem of aging demographics. They are facing a problem of stagnating or even declining growth. So how do they, and a huge social cost of keeping a population which is aging still there. So and not enough growth happening within the economy. Therefore, they have a different set of imperatives, and we in the developing world have a different set of imperatives. So the real issue here is, how do we balance and find our own path? And I believe that India will have to carve its own path. That's the simple and plain answer, Sunil.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.